Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Some small information. Wednesday, there may not be any pre-market and post-market report because I'm traveling to Switzerland. So from my childhood, if I want to visit one country, so that is Switzerland. So after so many years, now it is coming to reality. But however, from Thursday onwards, and I will try to do, if I can't do video, at least I will do the audio. So that's one thing. Second thing, my workshop. So I'm having a workshop on the first week of October. So you can check the description for details. So if you're interested, you can contact our office. Now, come back to the markets. The GIF Nifty indicating about 75-80 point gap up. So that's a big gap up. Why? The reason, number one, the global cues are good. Most Asian markets are higher, and then US futures are higher. The Asian markets are higher mainly because, Japan Prime Minister has resigned and the market is higher. So here are some Congress fans. They're expecting when that will happen in India, right? This is just a joke, okay? Nothing very serious. So Asian markets are higher, global cues are good, and the GIF Nifty therefore is higher. And moreover, over the weekend, so we have got some mixed signals, some good news, some bad news. The good news is that the US is actually stepping down, coming down a little bit to get into a good relationship with India. But that is on one side. So another side, they are also planning to put some tariff on IT products or IT outsourcing. So in police department, so they call it as a good cop, bad cop. Suppose if they arrest somebody, now one policeman will go and hit him, beat him, like anything, and make him to confess. So if he cannot make him confess, he will come out. So another cop will go inside. He will talk to him very, very nicely. Hey, you are so good. Can you imagine what will happen to your wife and children if you go to jail? Better you confess. So one policeman will go and deal with him very harshly. The other one will go and talk very softly. So probably the Trump is playing that role with India. And one side is talking very harsh. I will put tariff on IT products, IT outsourcing. Other side, is talking very soft. So we do not know which one is the true face, or what is it he want India to confess. So all those kind of things. But however, so this is a good gap up. So yesterday in the Dalal CP Guide program itself, I told you the markets are likely to trade with some positive bias. But however, will there be any selling? So far, if not the Nifty spot, at least the Nifty future, as and when Nifty future crossed 25,000 in the last 1 week, 3 times the selling, 1 week or 10 days, the 3 times the selling came. And all the 3 times the selling came more than 200 points intraday. So in fact, out of the last 10 trading sessions, 5 trading sessions, Nifty fell more than 200 points intraday. So will there be any selling at the higher level? So that we have to wait and watch. So FIIs, they continue their selling spree. So they are no mood to buy. But a lot of money within India is coming into the stock market. But unfortunately, most of this money is going through the IPOs. There are a huge number of IPOs coming into the market and sucking out the huge liquidity. So as I told you yesterday, keep watching for the auto stocks. And in the last 1 month, the best performing index, it is already about 11% higher. So looks like it will continue when no other products, they reduce the GST, but auto sector, they are not waiting for September 22nd. So now itself, most of the car manufacturers have reduced their prices corresponding to the GST cut. So hopefully, but I still feel that, the prices in India is, far higher than other countries. And there's a car called MG Cyberster, which I was planning to buy from my childhood. I want to buy a what is this convertible car, but I should have bought it about 15-20 years before at least. Now at this age, okay. Anyway, a wish is a wish, and I was checking. It is a ex showroom price is 75 lakh rupees. And the same car ex-showroom price was around 48 lakhs in Dubai. Right, where is 48 lakhs, where is 75 lakhs? And then the GST reduced, of course. Electric cars prices, I don't think that it has come down, but it's only petrol engine cars prices have come down. But even if it comes down, they reduce it by 1 lakh or 2 lakh, So what is the big deal? So, but anyway, so some reduction, some positivity, at least sentimental positivity, if not long term. Things are going well for auto industry, right? So Maruti, which was consolidating between about 7,000 and 10,000 for a long time, broke out of range. And the 10,000 was the all-time high before that. So now it has come up closer to 15,000. So that's a 50% rally. But of course, this 50% rally has not come in few months. It has come in few years. That's a different story. Right. Any Nifty 50 stock, beating the FD interest is already something very, very great. Why? Because the people who usually invest in large cap stocks, they just don't sit down. They keep selling some call options, so they try to get some extra money. So that facility may not be there with all the stocks. So only the stocks that are trading in futures and options. So they will look to generate some more income from there. So that's why large caps, usually don't give very good return. Yeah. So anyway, so today's market, let us focus auto stocks and IT stocks. And IT stocks, because the Trump has, Trump administration keeps saying that, they are planning for IT outsourcing tax. Auto, because of GST reduction, prices have been reduced. So interesting one will be the banking stock, and especially ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank. And also, as usual, Reliance Industries also we have to keep watching. So let us see where the market goes. So hopefully today the gap up sustains. And as I told you, 24,500 on the downside, 25,100 on the higher side. So that is the range I'm thinking of for these next 5 trading sessions. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.